Siyempre, ito yung masaya, di ba? Talaga namang china-challenge po natin ang ating sarili na makahanap ng magagandang mga deals, discounts, at kung ano-ano pa po, di ba? Kaya naman kausapin na po natin ang mga kaibigan po natin from PhilTowa. Ito po ang Philippine Tour Operators Association. So, nasa linya na po natin via Zoom. Joining us this morning to talk about the upcoming Philippine Travel Mart is unahin po natin ang president ng PhilTowa, ang Philippine Tour Operators Association. Let's all welcome si Ginoong Arjun Shroff. Sir Arjun, good morning po at welcome sa KKK sa DZRH.
Good morning, lovely morning to everyone and your viewers.
Hi, Sir Arjun. Nako, si Sir Arjun parang nagulat naman ako. Si Sir Arjun ay mukhang foreigner. Do you want
Pusong Pinoy.
Pero pusong Pinoy. So okay lang na magtagalog tayo, sir, Mag-Pilipino tayo, Okay. Baka dumugo ilong ko after this. Okay, welcome. Welcome, Sir Arjun. Ayan, how long have you been the president of PhilTowa po?
It is for this year and next year, 2024 to 2026.
Ayun. Okay. So you will be handling, of course, you will be at the helm itong upcoming 35th Philippine Travel Mart. Ayan. So mamaya pag-usapan po natin yan, Sir Arjun. Pakilala din po natin ang inyong kasamahan rin po sa PhilTowa. I'm sure lagi niyo po siyang nakakasama at nakakausap. Si First Vice President po, Ma'am Malu Hapson. Ma'am Malu, good morning and welcome po sa DZRH at sa KKK. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Ang ganda naman ng background ni ma'am. Ang daming mga books. Ayan, mukhang nasa library si ma'am. Ma'am Malu, you are the first president po for this year din po and the upcoming year. Tama po?
Yes, the same as Arjun.
So you're very, very busy preparing for the upcoming Philippine Travel Mart at sa marami pa pong mga activities ng PhilTowa. Lalo na po, Sir Arjun and Ma'am Malu, napaka-busy po ng mga kababayan natin dahil ang aga nilang magplanong mag-travel. I am so surprised. Grabe. But anyway, let's first start off with your group, yung Philippine Tour Operators Association of PhilTowa. Sir Arjun, can you please tell us, ipakilala nyo naman po yung grupo ninyo, yung PhilTowa, sa mga first time po na maririnig po ang inyong grupo o asosasyon. Go ahead, Sir Arjun.
Well, PhilTowa is more than 3 decades in the Philippines and we are the primary movers for the inbound and domestic tourism with the kind support of the Department of Tourism and Tourism Promotions Board, which is the marketing arm of the DOT. And PhilTowa's proponents, our members are a mix of hotels, resorts, tour operators, travel agents, airlines, the other allied services that we provide also from the education, academe, and also entertainment venues that are part of our association.
So Sir Arjun, napakalaking network pala ng PhilTowa. So for now, for 2025, 2025 tuloy, advance tuloy, 2024, nasa 2024 pa pala tayo. Ano ba yan? Ayan. How many members do you have po, officially members of PhilTowa?
At the moment, we are more than 430 members. Yes.
Ang dami. Alright. Thank you, Sir Arjun, for that. So, ang susunod ko naman pong gustong malaman, kasi po, I believe nag-present po si TPB, Chairperson, tama po ba? Ma'am Nograles, ng mga datos during the media presentation of your group sa Travel Mart. So sabi niya,
right,
tumaas po yung bilang ng mga tours and receipts po natin. Can you give us more details about this? And can you say on your part po, Sir Arjun, na nakabawi na po, naka-recover na yung local tourism po natin?
Yes, as per the figures presented, there is a big move on the increase in tourism. That's why you see a lot of new hotel properties are being built up to anticipate this growth that we are expecting for the coming year and the next year. We are also trying to push Philippines as a MICE incentive market for large conventions which are going to be brought into Philippines through various associations.
When you say MICE, Sir Arjun, sa mga hindi po nakakaintindi ng hotel or ang tawag dito, hospitality
The language.
lingo, the
It is
language.
meetings. It consists of meetings, incentives, conventions, and exhibitions.
Yes.
That's why we are very happy that there are a lot of built-up facilities coming up through all the various different big properties who are also building a bigger convention area for the upcoming events that we are expecting to happen in the Philippines.
Yes, all right. So thank you, Sir Arjun. Okay, let's go to Ma'am Malu naman. Ma'am Malu, I would like to ask you kung ano po yung inyong opinion dun sa competition naman when it comes to international travel. Kasi ang PhilTowa po, nabanggit ni Sir Arjun na ang gusto nyo pong i-push talaga ay yung domestic tourism natin. Yun yung ating priority. Ano po. So kung ano po yung mga nandito sa Pilipinas, yun po ang gusto nating i-promote at gusto natin na talaga naman tangkilikin ng mga kababayan natin. So when it comes to this, one way of promoting our local destinations is through the Travel Mart nga po. Tama, ma'am, no? So ano po yung opinion nyo, iba nyo pang thoughts about this?
Actually, ang competition naman talaga nandyan lang yan. But we are very, very thankful that the Department of Tourism, through their marketing arm, which is the TPB, the Tourism Promotion Board, and of course our foreign offices all over the world, marami silang mga initiative about how to market Philippines. And one is the PEP, the Philippine Experience Program, na PhilTowa has been participating. So doon pinopromote natin ang ating kultura, yung mga emerging destinations natin. Like sa ASEAN din, we are very active. Actually, PhilTowa is part of the ASEAN, PATA, FATA. We are all members of those international associations, and by dealing with them, we will learn a lot of strategies how to market Philippines. So I guess yes, we are at the helm of promoting.
Okay. So napaka-active pala ng PhilTowa at hindi lang po nun, yung buong industriya din po. Napakalaking bagay pala no, ma'am, na ang Department of Tourism mismo ay sinusuportahan po yung industriya. When I see coverages of your events po, nandun po lagi si DOT Secretary Cristina Frasco, right, ma'am?
Yes, because actually PTM for the longest time, our corporate center is always DOT-TPB. So nakikita naman natin talagang full support nila ang PhilTowa because we are into domestic tourism talaga from the very, very start.
And I guess
And to add to,
go ahead, Sir
and to
Arjun.
add to the beauty of PTM, you will have all the regions from north to the south, whole Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, participating, showcasing their local culture, their tapestry, their clothes, their various other food items that they will be displayed, and our the traveling public who will come to the exhibition will have a grand fiesta on the 3 days that we are doing the PTM.
Wow, exciting.
Exactly.
Yung pag-describe ni Sir Arjun, grand fiesta. Mukhang hindi lang mga exhibits makikita natin doon. Mukhang maraming mga pakulo pa. Alright. So mamaya, pag-uusapan natin ang upcoming 35th Philippine Travel Mart. We'll just be pausing for a very short break. And I would just like to jump off from what Ma'am Malu said kanina, no? Na yung pag-promote ng ating local tourism. Kasi nabanggit nyo, Ma'am Malu, kanina yung experience, the Philippine experience. Yun yung hinahanap ngayon kasi ng mga travelers. After the pandemic, nag-iba na po talaga yung mindset, konsepto, yung hinahanap ng mga travelers. They want to have a more meaningful travel experience. Hindi lang dahil nakapunta ka sa isang lugar, you took pictures and that's it. It's more of experiencing the culture, the people, and the place as well. Alright, so we'll be pausing for a very short break. At ano nga ba tong 35th Philippine Travel Mart? Ang sabi nga ni Sir Arjun, 3 araw ng punong-puno ng piyesta at kasiyahan. Sa ating pagbabalik, ang ating oras, 10:49.
BM Extraordinary with MX3.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, dito ko bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Tinesting, sinuri, siniyasan. Ang resulta? Super effective ang Shield sa pagpatay ng bakterya at virus. Shield Antibacterial Soap. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association. At si Mami,
Tiwala ako sa Shield.
Shield Antibacterial Soap. Napatunayang mabisa. Ang mga nurse, tiwala.
Alamin ang mga maiinit na isyung pambayan, mga balitang kailangan mong malaman, usapin sa pamahalaan, politika, ekonomiya at kabuhayan. Ito ang mga dapat mong malaman, pakialaman at pag-uusapan dahil kayo ang tinig ng mamamayan dito sa Damdaming Bayan. Live sa DZRH Radio, DZRH TV at DZRH Digital. Kasama sinalakay Deo Macalma at Elaine Apit. Araw-araw, Lunes hanggang Biyernes. Damdaming Bayan. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagtulong, tuloy-tuloy ang pagseserbisyo, at tuloy-tuloy ang balitaan kasama si May Binauhan sa Operation Tulong mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes.
Ako po si Lisa Macuja Elizalde na nag-aanyaya sa inyong samahan kami muli sa pagbabalik ng Art to Art alas 3:30 ng hapon dito sa DZRH Radio at DZRH News Television. Usapang sining at kultura para sa lahat tuwing araw ng linggo. Huwag kaligtaan.
Action-packed games, exciting matches, and intense plays. Idagdag pa natin ang mga pinakabagong balita sa mundo ng sports. Lahat ng yan, bida pa rin sa DZRH TV Match Point tuwing Sabado 12:30 ng tanghali sa DZRH TV.
Ang ating oras, 7 minuto bago po mag-alas 11 ng umaga. And we're back sa KKK, Kaalaman at Kabuhayan with your favorite K every Saturday. Ako po si Miss K, Miss Karen Oyong dito po sa DZRH at DZRH TV. Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook live streaming, good morning po. Type nyo naman po sa Facebook DZRH. At sa YouTube channel naman po natin, it's sa DZRH Television. And you're watching us, of course, sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao sa ating mga cable channels. Sky Cable Channel 129, Signal Channel 18, Destiny Cable Channel 129, Cable Link Channel 3, Bicol CATV System, TVC Cable Network, JP Cable TV at Madera Cable TV. Naku, trip nyo bang mag-travel? Naku, kailangan magplano ng mabuti para, of course, pasok sa budget, masaya ang mga activities, maganda yung itinerary, at syempre, maganda yung hotel na pupuntahan at inyo pong tutulugan at mag-e-stayan, di ba? So tama-tama, pag nag-uusapan po natin yan, ang upcoming 35th Philippine Travel Mart, kasama pa rin po natin our good friends from PhilToa, ang kanilang president na si Sir Arjun Shroff and First Vice President Ma'am Malu Hapson. So to both of you guys, ang ating pong hanging question kanina ay tungkol naman sa 35th Philippine Travel Mart. So let's talk about this kasi malapit na po ito, ano? This will be on September 6 hanggang September 8. So, please tell us about, Sir Arjun, itong upcoming na Travel Mart. So, ano ba yung konsepto nito? Bakit, why are we doing this? And sa inyo pong palagay, bakit tumagal po ito ng 35 years? Tama po ba? 35 edition na po kasi ito.
The Philippine Travel Mart is basically a promotion of all the local programs that our tour operators and travel agents combined with the hotel, resorts, and all the local activities they do. This presentation will be showcased during these 3 days, and it is to promote the culture, the variety of places that the people can visit, and the special destination that are being promoted by the tour operators. Also, it is important to note that to bring everything under one umbrella on 3 days concept is really a very fantastic way of presenting the 7,641 islands under one roof. And that gives the impetus for the local tourism market to increase their propensity to reach out to all the other people who will be visiting, and they will get a full knowledge on all the aspects that are being available during the Philippine Travel Mart.
Thank you, Sir Arjun. So the video that you're watching right now sa DZRH TV, this was the Philippine Travel Mart last year, 2023, the 34th edition. Yan po yung, I guess, the opening ceremony with, of course, DOT Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. And this year, makikita ka namin, Sir Arjun, you will be doing the ribbon cutting this year. Tama ba? You will be the one on stage with, of course, the DOT officials. Ayun. So, we'll be watching out for that, Sir Arjun. Thank you very much. Okay, Ma'am Malu, yung theme po natin, Love the Next Gen Tourism. That's the theme for this year's 35th Travel Mart. Tama po ba? Can you tell us more about this? Ano po ba yung Next Gen Tourism? Parang pang mga ano ba to? Pang mga Gen Z? Pang mga millennials? Paano ba to, ma'am?
Okay, yes. Yung iba, ang konsepto nila ng next gen tourism, akala nila yung travelers next generation, but it's not. When we say about next gen tourism, actually it's about the entire system of tourism. It's the future of tourism. That involves, of course, the travelers, at the same time, the system of the value chain of tourism. Bakit namin siya pinili? Well, simply lang. We need to align everything with the current tagline of the Department of Tourism, which is Love the Philippines. Now, ang kinonsepto namin is Love the Next Gen Tourism because we are into next generation tourism of the future of tourism that connects all the 4 pillars of tourism. Number 1 is sustainability. So, of course, we want to promote tourism na we also protect our environment. Here we can say travel today, treasure tomorrow, things like that. And the next is digitization or innovation. Of course, napaka-kampante ng mga traveler naman natin kapag very convenient sila yung ease of doing travel, di ba? Na use of AI, you know, yung mga e-visa o kaya yung mga e-registration, check-in, mga ganon. So that is under digitization. And then inclusivity. Ito yung ginagamit natin yung mga so-called CBTs, which is a part of the value chain of tourism. CBT means community-based tourism. Ito yung mga halimbawa, yung mga pagsasaka na pwede nating isama na as ancillary ng ating mga travels na culture pala yun. Kasi for example, yung mga costumes ng ating mga ATAs or mga indigenous people, part yun ng tourism natin kasi that denotes Philippines as a whole. And then another one is yung health and wellness kasi let's face it, after the pandemic talaga, the face of tourism have changed. The attitudes of the travelers have changed. So they are now into more meaningful travel experience and of course to protect as well their well-being. That is why we do that.
Wow. So lahat po ng nabanggit nyo ng mga pillars, ika nga, ng Next Gen Tourism, that will be showcased, highlighted during the Travel Mart. So paano nyo po ito gagawin, Ma'am Malu? Can you cite an example?
Actually, during the exhibitors briefing, ipinaliwanag namin sa lahat ng aming mga participating exhibitors yung guidelines for the booth design. So let's start with the booth design.
Okay.
Sa booth design pa lang, naandun na yung component of 4 pillars kasi kasama yun sa guidelines na binigay namin sa kanila. And then after that, so syempre may mga presentations ng aming mga major sponsors. Yun din, may guidelines din kaming binigay na it has to be with the component of the 4 pillars. And then yung offerings namin, the packages itself, dapat din merong component of the 4 pillars. So we are very consistent with that.
Okay, so yan ang mga abangan natin, ano? And of course, tama nga, nagbabago na ang mukha ng tourism at ng travel. Mas marami nang hinahanap ang ating mga customers, clients, ang mga travelers, ano, both international and domestic. So kayo rin po, ma'am, ano, dyan sa PhilTowa, Sir Arjun, you have to adjust and you have to deliver kung ano yung hinahanap din ng panahon, di ba? Alright, thank you, Ma'am Malu. Sir Arjun, I would like to go to you. Can you tell us the highlights o yung mga kaibahan po ng Travel Mart this year kumpara sa mga nakaraan? I'm sure na you've been a member of PhilTowa for quite a while na rin po, ano, Sir Arjun. So you've already experienced the previous Travel Mart. So this year, ano yung kakaiba sa kanya aside from yung next gen tourism na nabanggit nga ni Ma'am Malu?
Well, for starters, we have made a very detailed procedure in which from the beginning to the end, the whole show should go seamlessly well, including the ingress and the ingress have been properly coordinated with color coding of vehicles that will come in when they are doing the ingress and also during the ingress. So there are priorities given to the exhibitors that they will come in smoothly, fix up their booths as per the cited exhibit rules given to them. From there on, we have also done digitization of our tickets. Hopefully, the platform should be ready by this coming week, and we will be doing a demo rollout. And then in the next few days, we can start selling the tickets online. And to start with, we are doing a very promotional rate of ticket, which will be sold. And when it comes to the day of the exhibition itself, there will be, of course, regular rates that will apply. And we are giving student discount, senior discount, and pre-purchase discount on the tickets. So these are some of the features we are adding. And also, we have a proper system in place so that when the exhibitors come in and when our guests come in for the show, they will have a very smooth experience to see the beauty of this specially created event for them. Also, we have an ambulance, fire brigade, and also other facilities that are in place for the safety and security of the traveling public. So these are some of the basics that we have done. Malu, you may add some more if you have some thoughts on it.
Yes, actually, one of the highlights then is, can you just imagine the usual travel program or the usual travel package spiced up with digitization and health and wellness? That is something different.
So, paano kaya yun, no? Parang I just can't imagine na they go together pala, no? Technology and wellness. So, we have to watch out for that. Surprise nyo na lang ba? Or ayaw i-reveal?
Yes, surprise. Yeah, we cannot elaborate more because we want our traveling public to be surprised.
Okay.
And have a good experience.
Oo nga. Or bongga to Alright, na-excite ako tuloy. How about the experience per se when you enter the floor, the exhibition mismo? Is it like para bang you're going to travel from like Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao? Is it more of beaches first and then mountains and then cities, museums? May ganun po ba na parang layout or surprise na lang din? Go ahead
The
po.
layout which we have done is in the front are all the pavilions with all the Philippine regions from Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao.
Okay.
Very properly presented, and each region has their own features which they will be presenting. And there are many surprises in store this year because of the 4 pillars that we have added. On top of that, behind those pavilions, we have now the regular and the super prime booths which are with the tour operators, travel agents, and hotels, and exhibition, what you call the other travel-related products that will be sold on the site. And Pinakadulo at the back is the food stalls, which we have on both the sides, so that public will not have to be walking from end to end if they are looking for their food and meals. So very finely designated, and we have made the stage also in a very appropriate manner that the people will enjoy the shows and the events that Ms. Malu has prepared for the 3 days, surprises, and also very smooth movement within the hall. There will be no congestion, or in a way what you call, they will be able to travel very smoothly, looking from one place to another within the halls.
Yeah, so it's like pag pumunta ka doon, Sir Arjun and Ma'am Malu, hindi ka maliligaw, ika nga, parang alam mo agad, oh, this is from Batangas, this is Marinduque, this is Ilocos, di ba? Parang ganun po, no?
Yes. Actually, in addition to that, the reason why the regions are in front, it plays in front, because we want the travelers to choose and witness the diversity of the Philippine tourism. Di ba, iba-iba from region 1 to 16 to 13, and then meron tayong car. So 16, 17 regions yon. Makapili sila, maintindihan nila what is the tourism of every region, and then sa end and sa mga sides, nandun yung mga talagang mag-actual selling naman. Ang mga tour operators, mga hotels, but at least they have the idea already kung ano yung choice nila na fit to their needs or to their travel preference.
So etong video na to, this was last year, right? So nakikita natin may mga cultural presentations, and then may mga booths nga. Tapos may mga games. Tama po ba? So you're going to give away prizes as well during the Travel Mart?
Yes.
So ano ba yung mga prices dyan? Mga staycation, mga ganon, mga travel packages din po ba? Can you give, para ma-excite yung mga pupunta?
For those who will be purchasing, they will be given raffle stubs, which will be raffled during the event time when we have the promotion for the raffle. And then for those individual sponsors who are doing the show on the stage, they will also be called to give away their own properties, airline, hotel, or other establishments, their own giveaways on the spot.
Wow.
Madami.
Yes, and in addition to that, if you go to our social media platforms, makikita ninyo yung mga teaser namin for giveaways. Kasi every booth, we actually not oblige them, but we request them to give giveaways, small or big, and we also have lots of prizes. It's all in our social media accounts, so you can watch it.
Ayun. So puntahan nyo lamang po ang Philippine Travel Mart. Ayan, that's the keywords, and PhilTowa. Alright, so can you give us an idea how many exhibitors will be joining? Ilan po ang lalahok ng mga exhibitors para sa Travel Mart? Sir Arjun, do you have the numbers?
We have 300 plus exhibitors all over, spread out from Hall 1 up to Hall 4. All the halls are occupied.
Wow.
And we have a waiting list pa. If somebody back out, we will put the waiting list in front.
Taray. Ready po ang PhilTowa. Nothing will deter them. Ayan, 'di ba? Tuloy ang Travel Mart. All right. So Sir Arjun and Ma'am Malu, we will be pausing for another short break, and then sa ating pagbabalik, I want to talk about yung mga pag sinabi nyo kasing great travel packages, deals and discounts. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin nun? Meron po ba tayong mga kakaibang mga travel destinations, emerging destinations that we want to promote as well? Kasi last year, I think the Spratly Islands and Barm were introduced. Kakaiba po ito. So this year, ano po ba ang mga kakaibang offerings naman? And a lot more information about the Philippine Travel Mart. Sa ating pagbabalik, ang ating oras, 11:09.
This time.
Sa lahat ng bagay, simula pa lang, siguraduhing max protection na. Kasi pag kulang ang proteksyon, baka madaling masira. Sa ngipin, dapat may max protection din. Max sa alaga ng Unique Toothpaste. With Max Protect Formula. helps stop cavities before they start, while keeping breath fresh. Try Unique Maximum Fluoride Protection para max alaga, max protektado.
ACS. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan, pag smart ang dishwashing paste, may double tanggaling formula. Tanggalang sebo, tanggalang bakterya.
Pahit para walang pahit, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic na bago to. Tanggaling-galing mo, smart dishwashing paste. ACS.
Let us unbox MX3 capsule. Each box has 60 vegetable capsules that tested and proven to help reduce pain discomfort. 2 capsules daily with healthy diet and exercise. MX3. Tunay, natural, at original.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Tingnan nyo, oh! Puti ito! Mas puti ito!
Mas puti ito! Mas puti ito! Mas puti ito!
Sa Pride Bar, pwedeng hindi na mag-bleach, tina o anyel. Dahil ang Pride Bar ay may power whitener na nanunuot sa bawat hibla. Kaya ang damit ay kislap puti at banayad pa sa kamay.
Mas puti ito! Mas puti ito! Mas puti ito!
Pride Bar, hindi lang puti, kislap puti.
ACS.
Maagang balitaan, maagang usapan sa mga issue at balita. Kasama si Kuya Angelo Palmones sa Magandang Umaga Pilipinas. Mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes.
Pilipinas ang ating oras, 11:12. Uy, ano ba yun? Sorry naman. Dapat ito. Ayun. Alright, we're back po sa KKK. Nako, final stretch na po ng ating programa and we're still talking about the 35th edition of the Philippine Travel Mart. Kasama pa rin po natin ang ating mga kaibigan from PhilToa, Sir Arjun Shroff, ang kanilang President, and First Vice President, Ma'am Malu Hapson. Okay, so ang ating question naman po sa inyong dalawa, Sir and Ma'am, is when you say great travel packages, deals and discounts await you, ano po ba ang ibig sabihin nito? Mapapa-wow ba talaga yung ating mga dadalo doon, ng mga bibisita at join po sa ating Travel Mart? Go ahead, whoever wants to answer the question, Sir Arjun or Ma'am Malu?
You go ahead.
Oo naman, Karen, mapapa-wow na wow talaga sila. In fact, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, pag pumunta sila sa mga social media accounts namin, makikita nyo na mga spectacular deals namin doon at mga papremyo na ibibigay ng ating mga exhibitors. Kasi kami sa PhilToa, we are coordinating with the airlines to give us the discounts na sa PTM lang natin makukuha. At ang ating mga exhibitors din, nag-request na din kami sa kanila ng mga offers na sa PTM lang makukuha. So, talaga pong mapapawaw na wow kayo. Una-una sa lahat, marami kaming ibibigay na mga raffle surprises. Every almost 30 minutes meron kaming raffle. Bago namin kasi ibigay ang mga presentation ng mga regions, meron kaming isang raffle na ibibigay.
Oh, so ang dami pala, no? So dapat all the days, 3 days nandun kayo, ayan, para masulit, di ba? Complete attendance, day 1, day 2, day 3, ayan, para marami rin tayong prizes. And nabanggit nyo, it's also the packages will be very exclusive to, when Ma'am Maluse sa PTM, it's Philippine Travel Mart. Okay, baka nalilito po sila kung ano po yung PTM. So, exclusive po ito para sa mga pupunta po sa Philippine Travel Mart at hindi na po mahahanap sa iba. So, this will be very big discounted rates. Tama po ba na hindi po natin makikita sa pag-regular po na bibili tayo, ma'am?
Yes.
Only exclusive for the 3 days event. After that, babalik tayo sa normal or regular rate.
Normal.
Ayun, okay. And of course, when you pay for it, of course, you can digitalization, nabanggit nyo, isa sa mga pillars, hindi na po mahirap mag-transact. Tama po ba during the Travel Mart?
Yes, yes. Kasi may mga terminals tayo ng payment systems.
Ayun. So, credit card, debit, cash, and
GCash, Paymaya,
GCash,
everything, all payment system.
Oh, yan. Good. Go, go, go. Ihanda na po ang mga apps natin, ha? Kailangan matlakas din po ang ating data doon o signal. Wala naman po magiging problema, no?
Marami po kaming backup na internet.
Ayun, very good. They're prepared si Mamalu at si Sir Arjun. Alright, so last year po.
Actually,
go ahead, sir.
on that point, SMX is providing the full, complete variety of data, and then they have a special plan for the 3 days, so the exhibitors will have no problem in accessing the internet to do the online transactions that we are trying to promote in this PTM.
Kasi it's very frustrating po eh. Alam nyo yun, yung nag-usap na kayo ni exhibitor, ang ganda-ganda na ng usapan ninyo, you're so excited na you want to book na, ibubook mo na siya, ito na yung gusto ko, naka-mindset ka na, tapos magbabayad ka na lang, magde-deposit ka na lang, tapos ayaw mag-push to non-payment, di ba? So parang, oh my God, bakit ganon? So ito, wala na magiging ganyang problema. Ayan. So the deal, the travel packages and deal will definitely be yours 100%. Ayan. Okay. So, balikan lang po natin yung mga tour packages, kasi last year Spratly Islands and BARM. Napakaganda po talaga when you visit Mindanao, pero marami po sa atin hindi po nakakapunta pa doon and they really want to explore the area. That was last year. That was one of the tour packages na ni-launch. This year po, can you give us maybe a little bit of pasilip lang po kung ano yung mga emerging destinations na gusto nyo pong ma-promote and you want, of course, our travelers to explore?
Actually, on every PTM, our goal is always to help promote emerging key destinations. Kaya we give chance to new destinations every time we have a PTM. As of the Spratly Island, I guess they are consciously promoting the destination kasi they have gone through the previous year and they are continuing to be with us during this year's promotion also. And we are really working with the LGUs who are really pushing hard to promote their local destination also. Malu, you may add.
Yeah, sa Spratly Islands, the mere fact that they are still participating this year, also the BARM, I guess it's a positive impact na nagkaroon sila. For BARM kasi, we all know na ang ating mga neighboring ASEAN countries ay good market for halal tourism. So si BARM yung pinaka-model natin for halal tourism that we can also compete with halal tourism. And then this year kasi we have Capiz as also an emerging destination. So ipopromote din namin sila. Capiz is also good for food tourism.
Ayun. So okay din pala this year yung mga hindi nakakuha ng magandang packages, tour packages sa Spratly and BARM, they can check it out this year din po sa Philippine Travel Mart. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes po. Kasi they are still participating this year.
And sabi mo nga, it's a good sign na nag-participate sila ulit. Ibig sabihin, naging maganda yung reception, Ayun. Oh yeah. So isa rin pala sa pinupush ng Department of Tourism is halal tourism. Tama po. It's an emerging tourism industry. And medyo malaki rin po yung doon, yung revenue na pwede nating mag-gain ng ating industry. At marami rin pong matutulungan na mga small, medium and MSMEs, ayan, mga enterprises. All right. So in your opinion, how is it very important to promote yung mga emerging destinations like Capiz, 'di ba? Sabi niyo Ma'am Malu, they're going to join. And then sabi ni Sir Arjun yung mga least na mga promoted destinations. I guess the DOT wanted all regions kasi na maging equal yung promotions, ma-expose sila equally. Sa tingin niyo, how important is that?
There was, Karen, there was a point which Ms. Malu emphasized earlier about the PEP, the Philippine experience, and that has given a segue to DOT. They are in coordination with us, and we are coordinating with the local tour operators, and hopefully we should be having those emerging destination tour packages which will be presented on the DOT booth itself. Yesterday we were in discussion, Ms. Malu, me, and also the DOT people, and the discussion is to really help the emerging destinations by promoting them, educating them, teaching them how to make the tour packages. I personally volunteered to them that even after PTM we can continue liaising with them, that we will promote and help them by guiding them on how to do the tour packages which they can sell locally, online, and through the different social media, which will help internally among ourselves within the Philippines also.
Ayan. Ma'am Malu, do you have anything to add?
Yes, actually, sa tourism strategy kasi maraming paraan para tumulong sa emerging destination. If I may just cite out lang, Boracay used to be a unknown destination. But because it's Caticlan is very close to Iloilo, nagkaroon ng strategy like Big Brother, Small Brother approach. Tinuwin si Boracay with Iloilo. But look at Boracay now. It is a standalone and mature destination already. And that is what we want to do with other emerging destination. Because let's face it, kailangan meron kang pang-come on talaga. Mahirap i-promote ang isang emerging destination na walang pang-come on. That is why the Department of Tourism promoted or still promoting the PEP. Kasi doon ma-highlight yung mga culture ng emerging destination, their food tourism, the unique components of the emerging destination.
So, pwede rin yung ginagawa nila, no, Sir Arjun and Ma'am Malu, na yung magkakatabing mga destinations, you promote it as one like a circuit. Tama, no? That's what DOT is doing.
Yes.
And then,
we do that.
Pagkatapos po nun, hopefully po in the future, maging, yun ang sabi niyo, onwards, maging standalone destination na yung isang lugar po doon. Ayan. So, they just need a little bit of, kumbaga, exposure, training ng mga tao, a little push, di ba? A little bit of marketing, ayun po. So, alright, so good luck sa mga emerging destinations. I hope, kasi marami po sa atin na mga travelers, they don't want the usual na po. They want something different, yung mga hindi...
Off the beaten track.
Yeah, exactly. May mga adventurous type po kasi talaga na ganon. So, I think, that's also part of the offerings din naman. So lahat ng mga klaseng mga destinations mahanap nyo sa Philippine Travel Mart sa September. Alright, pero I'm quite surprised kasi PhilTOA po, you promote this domestic tourism, but this time you're going to promote also some popular international destinations. Please tell us about this. Paano po nangyari to? Asia, US, Europe, Australia. Hindi po ba we're competing with these destinations, Sir Arjun or Ma'am Malu?
In a way, to say that you are now progressing, you are evolving. All travel shows have their own specific salient selling points. And PhilTOA itself has grown very strong in the domestic market. So we want to add a little flavor. 3 years ago, we did the ASEAN. Then we did ASEAN +2. We included China and Korea. In continuity with our past PTMs, we are now progressing to other Asian and other destinations, which we are trying to also promote together with the Philippines. And this is to give boost to the foot traffic that we are expecting to be there at the event. Hopefully, all the sellers will have a great sale. The hotels, the tour operators, travel agents, and the airlines are giving these special prices to be sold during the PTM, so which is going to be a win-win for all. This is the reason we have now tweaked a little bit our PTM.
Ayun. A little bit of tweak pala siya. Ayan, thank you Sir Arjun. Ma'am Malu, meron po ba kayong gustong idagdag doon?
Not only that, of course, we all know that the competition in the world arena is very tight talaga. Pero kung papapasukin kasi natin ang outbound tourism, aside from drawing foot traffic, of course, makikita natin paano ba yung mga strategies din? Kasi kami mismo mai-involve sa international level. So, we can benchmark our marketing strategy for our own tourism. So, maganda din yung bagay na yon kasi nakikita natin kung ano yung meron sila o wala sila. Then, we can either enhance or, boost or maximize whatever we have.
Okay. So,
arena, kumbaga.
Oo nga. Pinalalawak lang din po natin yung ating kaalaman, and then the best way to do that is also to expose ourselves to other industries, other markets, and of course, one of them sa international level o arena.
Ano natin siya pang come on. May mga iba talagang travelers na gusto nila international.
Yeah.
But then the mere fact that they're already in the hall, makikita nila yung glamorous ng regions natin. They will be interested also. But their main reason to visit is only international. Pero na-capture natin sila. That's marketing.
Oh, that's
Arun, I hope you will have opportunity to join us on one of the 3 days live.
Oo nga.
Let's hope.
Kailangan i-prepare ko yung wallet ko. Speaking of, kasi po, we need tips from the experts like you. Ayan, para tayo po ay we don't run around the travel mart like headless chicken. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung una nating gagawin. Kasi yung iba po magiging aligaga. Siguro sobrang excited. So, Sir Arjun, Ma'am Malu, can you give us tips bago tayo pumunta sa 35th Philippine Travel Mart? It's on September 6 to 8 sa SMX Convention Center. Nag-message po si Miss Gemma via our live stream sa Facebook. Entrance fee po ay 80 pesos pag bibili kayo online. Kailan po magiging available po online ang tickets?
Hopefully by this coming week, we'll be able to put it online. We are just finishing the contract and some works that we need to complete.
Okay. Regular
the integration of API is quite time-consuming, but then hopefully this week.
Hopefully this week po 100 pesos ang regular rate at the Travel Mart. And okay, so yun po yung info ni Ma'am Gemma Batuan. Hi Ma'am Gemma, good morning, and good morning kay Sir Mark De La Cruz. All right, so any tips po for all of those planning aside of course from waiting, kasi tinan nyo 20 pesos na yung masisave nyo pag if you buy your tickets online, di ba, pag mas maaga. So kailangan wais tayo ngayon. Ayan. So Sir Arjun muna, ano po ba ang tips ninyo sa mga gustong pumunta pero bago muna, before preparation, ika nga?
Well, number 1, buy your ticket. Prepare yourself. Decide what you want to do. Keep your intentions clear. Sigurado na sigurado gusto mo bilihin. Come prepared with your wallet. And of course, on points of local travel, you need only an ID. So nothing much to worry. Just choose the destination that you want. Make sure you buy your ticket and your hotel accommodation, either individually by going to each region or through the local tour operators who are also promoting. They have a very well prepared menu. I call it the travel menu. It has everything that you want. So depending on your budget, wallet, and make sure you bring your Lolo Lola with you, who will fund the vacation for you.
Sponsor.
Bring them along.
Oo nga.
And also most important is that you are dealing with reliable tour operators and travel agents who are duly registered with PhilToa, and they are members with PhilToa. That's why we are giving the opportunity to the traveling public to meet our members also directly.
Speaking of that, ang dami palang scam online ng mga travels and the tours. They will collect money and then you don't go anywhere after that. Hindi ka na sila napaparamdam sa'yo. Yeah. Nakakatakot.
That is another thing. If you do not know the site and if you do not know the person, do not get tempted by the 50% discount that you see. That is only a come on. When you pay the 50%, the site will shut down.
Ayun.
It has happened to many travelers, and they reach the airport they don't have a booking, they don't have a what you call airline ticket. Only it's a fake paper they are carrying there. So this is one important message Philtoa would like to put across to all the traveling public. Please deal with the people whom you know who are registered and licensed by the local authorities in the Philippines.
Ayun, thank you Sir Arjun for that reminder. Si Ma'am Malu naman, gusto kong humingi sa inyo ng expert tips ninyo during the event days itself. I'm sure kayo po yung parang ang pakiramdam ko nakababad po kayo kasi alam niyo yung mga events, yung flow ng events. So can you give us what are your reminders, what are your tips?
Well, sa mga traveling public, unang-una sa lahat, when you enter the hall, make sure na fix na sa mind mo kung saan ka talaga pupunta. And aside from that, you have to be ready kasi fix nga sa mind mo saan ka pupunta. You want to avail this, but you don't have naman the things that you need in booking, like for example your passport, because the travel agent cannot book you without a passport, and that day we are book and buy already. So make sure that you can book and buy, madaling maubos. Let's say for example a travel agent have 25 blockings, so 25 people lang makaka-avail ng rate na yon. If you are not ready at sasabihin mong babalik ka and then 2 days pa bago ka bumalik, we cannot assure you that we can hold that
available
long for you. So better to be ready with everything, the things that you need: passport, ID, your GCash, your Paymaya, your credit card, and all. And then, aside from that, kung hindi ka naman prepared sa bibilihin mo, stand-on mo pa rin yung mga bagay na yon, and then i-explore mo lahat and start with the regions because the region can guide you the spices that you want in your travel.
So that's during yes, Sir Arjun.
I like to add one more very important point I learned long time ago. Huwag maging dayuhan sa sariling bayan.
Ayo.
Yeah.
Tama.
Domestic first.
Yes, tama naman. Maging Pilipino muna tayo, di ba? Ayan, ang ganda naman ng mga practical tips ninyo. Pero after the Travel Mart, 3 days yan, do we still need to, what are still the reminders that we need to do after the Travel Mart?
If they have already booked and given deposits for the program or the package, and then probably some of the hotels might or tour operators might just collect the deposit and to have a continuity closing of your booking, make sure you adhere to the deadlines given because the travel agent cannot hold the seats. They can only hold it for a certain period beyond which auto-cancel yung flight bookings. And also for the tour, the hotel packages that you buy, make sure you know the deadline conditions, what is included, not included, para hindi kayo bigla, akala ko may breakfast, pero yung price without breakfast. So kailangan baon mo yung breakfast mo. So please be careful of being alert and aware of points that you are asking everything properly. Of course, the duty of the travel agent is also to advise the passenger everything that he needs to know. But after that, of course, you have to wait for the 36th Philippine Travel Mart for your next bonus.
Malapit na. Okay. How about you, Ma'am Malu?
Yes, it is very, very important to closely coordinate with your travel agent kasi alam naman natin ang tourism ngayon is really uncertain. May mga changes na nangyayari along the way. Of course, if you are closely coordinating with your TA, for sure, whatever changes that might arise, alam natin. And then if you have request on mind that is possible to be given to you by the TA, as much as possible before your travel date, i-request mo na para naman ma-meet namin lahat ng expectations ninyo.
Oo, lalo na kunyari if it's a trip abroad, kasi maraming requirements yon like visa, yung travel insurance, yung mga ganun po, and other mga nitty-gritty.
Passengers that need special attentions like PWD, senior citizens. We want to know those things ahead.
Yes, okay. So before we end this program, I'd just like to ask one more advice. Is it advisable to go to the Travel Mart with the whole family? Paminsan kasi magulo, doon pa lang sila nagde-decide. So, meron akong nakausap na travel agent na ganun yung experience niya. And it's really hard, di ba? So, maybe before you go there, tama ba? Mas mauigi na mag-family meeting muna kayo. Tama po ba?
Yes. Tama, Karen. You're giving them a very right advice. Decide, make your intention, and fulfill that intention.
Okay.
Very simple.
O, tsaka Mamalu, pag nandun ka na, wala nang bawian na. Ito na yung pinagdesisyon na natin, pinagbotohan na natin ito ng family dinner,
Yes,
di ba? Tama ba, Mamalu?
Dapat tama. Dapat ready talaga sila kung ano yung gusto nila.
Oo. Ayan.
But anyway, kung hindi naman, ang mga travel agents, alam mo, very creative naman kami in our responses. We can handle it, don't worry. But syempre, mas maganda sana kung ready nga talaga sila.
Yes.
Opo, ayan. At paminsan yung travel agent din, kaya naman niya, sabi mo, creative, sige, gusto nitong destination, ito baka pwedeng pagkabitin, di ba? Pero ito, i-adjust natin yung package, basta malapit lang yung lugar, yung mga ganon, ano. So, sumangguni sa travel A. Pero ako nga, para peaceful at serene ang experience, mag-usap-usap muna kayo at mag-decide. Ayan. Okay, final words po before we end this program. Ma'am Malu, what is, please invite everyone sa upcoming 35th Philippine Travel Mart and of course, ang iyong mga gusto pong mensahe na marinig ng ating mga future travelers po na bibisita po sa ating event next month.
Inaanyayahan ko po ang ating traveling public na bisitahin kami sa SMX on September 6 to 8 for the 35th Philippine Travel Mart. Napakarami po naming mga sorpresa para sa inyo. And sana po kung pupunta kayo at bibisita, you can bring your friends. Lahat po iniimbitahan namin from solo traveler, LGBTQ+, couples, barkada, mga kumpanya na gustong mag-avail ng mga mais ninyo, like yung sinabi ni Arjun kanina, yung inyong mga incentive tours, team building and all, lahat po yan makukuha ninyo with the taste of the next gen tourism.
Thank you very much. Very well said. Ma'am Malu Hapson, ang first Vice President ng PhilTowa. Sir Arjun Shroff, it is your turn. What is your message to everybody listening and watching right now? And of course, please invite everyone to support the 35th Philippine Travel Mart.
This is your travel mart. This has been specially designed to make you enjoy the benefits of travel which you are entitled to. We have created a very special event for you to come and enjoy the special discounts that all the exhibitors, hotels, resorts, airline will be offering you. Please come to SMX, come with your family and friends, September 6, 7, 8, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we look forward to personally saying hello and meeting you. That includes you, Karen.
Thank you very much, Sir Arjun Shroff, ang president ng PhilTowa. Abangan ko yung online sale ng tickets kasi mas mura siya. 80 pesos lang if you buy it online. Pag regular rate, it's already 100 pesos. But still, very, very abot kaya pa rin naman, di ba? Ayan, thank you very much po, Sir Arjun and Ma'am Malu, and good luck po sa mga preparations for the Philippine Travel Mart, and happy travels to everyone. Thank you po and happy weekend po sa inyong dalawa. Thank
Happy
you.
weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye! At yan po ang ating mga panauhin from PhilTowa, ang president po nila na si Sir Arjun Shroff and ang first vice president na si Ma'am Malu Hapson. Please don't forget sa September 6, 7, and 8 na po ang 35th Philippine Travel Mart. Ayan po. So hanggang dito na lamang po ang ating program, ang KKK. Magbabalik po tayo sa susunod na Sabado. Maraming thank you and happy weekend sa ating lahat. Ako po si Miss K, Miss Karen Oyong para sa DZRH. Una sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino. Bye!